Plants come in a great variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. In the world of living things, plants are valued for their beauty and their usefulness. Few people, though, think of plants as being particularly active. Most plants show little or no obvious movement, apart from the movement of leaves and branches in the wind. Yet when we look more closely at plants or change the way we look at them, we find they show a great deal of activity. These are leaves of mimosa, the sensitive plant, which is common in warmer parts of the world. Watch what happens when a mimosa leaf is touched. The leaves of some plants, such as the Venus flytrap, can capture and digest insects and other small animals. The leaf responds when sensitive hairs inside it are touched. The sundew plants have sticky hairs that can close around an insect, hold it in place, and digest it. Flowers of the trigger plant respond to touch in a way that helps pollinate the flower. Not many plants move in such ways, yet all plants do move. Their movements are not as obvious because they take place much more slowly. These are leaves of an albizia tree during the day. At night, it looks like this. The leaflets have closed. Slow movements can be made to look faster by a filming technique called time-lapse photography. At 60 times normal speed, patterns of movement become obvious. The same technique can be used to film the leaves of the albizia tree as day ends and night begins. Here's the action again. Even during the night, the plant is not entirely still. With a new day, the leaflets open. Some other plants also close their leaves at night. This is oxalis. Its leaves respond to light changes with a display of graceful movements. These are leaves of a cassia bush in daylight, at night, and at dawn. Some flowers will only open in sunlight. So with time-lapse photography, all sorts of plant movements become noticeable. clover leaves in a pasture move continually through the day as the sun moves across the sky. And this is Lucina, a tropical plant. Daffodils, at dawn on a frosty morning. Watch the leaves once the sun is up. Some of the most striking activity in plants is found during growth. A developing bean, a young fern frond, the subtle movements of a plant can be both complex and beautiful. Climbing plants are remarkable for their growth movements. This is the growing tip of a climbing hibbertia. It is even possible to watch the woody fruits of a banksia opening after a fire and releasing their seeds. With some plants, the daily cycle of movement combined with growth movements is very striking. These are water lilies at 10,000 times normal speed. A flower bud opens during the day, usually in bright light, and closes again later in the afternoon. Morning, afternoon, night, and morning again. At first glance, then, most plants look inactive. But a great deal of movement is in fact taking place as the plants grow and respond to changes in their surroundings.